Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, where success is guaranteed by Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar, the pharma industry expert. What is the difference between marketing and sales? Marketing is creating the demand. It is the group of activities by a group of people to sell a product to the ultimate user. Sales is meeting the demand. It is a direct approach to the prospect. How you will achieve your monthly proposed target of 50,000? I must achieve my monthly proposed sales target of 50,000 without fail. At first, I will calculate my daily sales target by dividing into 25 working days in a month. Then I will collect POB from the prospects and promote the product towards doctors to generate prescription. As a result, sales will come and I will achieve my monthly proposed sales target of 50,000. You are 28-year-old, but we need candidate of 22 years. How we can help you for selection? Sir, I am 28 years old, but you need a 22 years candidate. This is just a numerical difference. At the time of 28 years, you pronounce 8 after 2, and for 22 years, you pronounce 2 after 2 only. I am smart and hardworking one than a 22 years candidate. So you can select me as your medical representative, and I can assure you that I will not do anything less than a 22-year-old candidate. You will definitely resign from the company when you will get better company with higher salary. It is universal truth. If you differ, please narrate the reason. Sir, no doubt salary is the principal objective of service of every medical representative. But salary is not the only subject to resign from the company as a medical representative. Sir, job satisfaction, working environment, and dealing with the management are equally important to me like salary as a medical representative of the existing company. If I will get everything from the company, then the question of resignation will not arise. You are a fresher, but we need experienced candidate. What should I do now? Sir, by birth, nobody is an experienced one. So it is not my fault to be a fresher candidate today as medical representative. Every experienced medical representative was a fresher one day. Until or unless you select me as your medical representative today, how I will become an experienced medical representative? I am assuring you that I can do everything in the market whatever an experienced medical representative can do. Do you have a girlfriend? If yes, then narrate something about her. Sir, I am willing to have a girlfriend, but crisis of time forced me to stop thinking now. As an unemployed graduate, I always think about my career to be as a medical representative. For this reason, I am busy with my study notes of marketing and 10 important human systems. I can assure you, sir, I will have a girlfriend as soon as I got the appointment letter from you as a medical representative. After doing my scheduled daily work, I will spend quality time with my girlfriend and inform you accordingly as you have raised the question to me. In a new territory, how a new medical representative will start daily work without the help of the company. Every medical representative is a new and unknown territory will start daily work from a reputed retailer of the area without help of company or manager. Medical representative will collect the name and address of doctors related with promotional products from that retailer. Then he or she will start working in the new territory and do RCPF from retailers about the product. He or she will also try to collect POB accordingly. Why we shall select you when equally educated and qualified candidates are waiting outside? Sir, as per biodata, all candidates are equal, but the sales ability is not mentioned in biodata. I can sell any product. This is my quality. Other candidates may not have this quality. Considering my selling skills, you can select me as your medical representative. Considering your sales ability, please discuss point-wise how to sell non-pharma products like pen, mobile handset, etc. To sell every product, detailing of that product is must. Detailing means the story of that product. The detailing story of non-pharmaceutical products like pen, mobile handset, etc. will be as follows. Self-introduction with company name, product information with brand name, discuss a little about establishment of the company, principal use of the product with brand name, additional use of the product with brand name, availability of the product in market with brand name, price, packaging of product with brand name, request for purchase and conclusion. Doctor want to prescribe the product provided nearest retailer will keep the stock. Similarly, retailer wants to keep the stock provided doctor will prescribe. Being a medical representative, how you will tackle this situation? Sir, here insecurity is common for both of them. It's the duty of every medical representative to tackle the situation of insecurity verbally. Every medical representative will request the doctor to use the brand name of product by using or in his prescription. By this way, he or she can overcome this situation of insecurity. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.